Hello, my name is Kent Pellegrini, Global Application Specialist for Caterpillar, and today I want to introduce you to the new 336EH hydraulic hybrid excavator. Now we're going to talk a little bit about the differences between the 336EH to the 336E. The 336EH maintains the same 300 horsepower C9.3 engine, remains Tier 4I compliant as well as Stage 3B. One of the major differences with the engine, it now runs at a 1500 RPM versus 1800 on the 336E. Delivers the same performance with no loss of production. There are three key points to the machine we're going to cover in the next few minutes, which are going to be conserve, which is fuel, optimize, which is performance, and most of all, reuse, which is energy. First area we're going to cover is the conserve portion, which is the ESP pump. Now, the ESP pump stands for Electronic Standardized Programmable. Behind this door, that pump actually senses a load on the engine and increases power. It maximizes the fuel efficiency and productivity by matching engine and pump load. Now, to simplify this just a little bit more, it provides the power when you need it and reduces when you don't. The next area we're going to cover is the optimized portion, which is the ACS main valve behind me. It's the brains of the machine. It delivers power where you need it, precisely when you need it. When we focus on applications such as trenching and you come to a really hard area, the ACS valve is going to work with the pump to maximize that production so you have no loss of power. The last point we're going to cover is the reuse portion, which is the hydraulic swing system. Behind the counterweight we have two hydraulic accumulators, and how these work is as I dig in the trench and I load to truck, the hydraulic accumulators charge. When I dump into the truck and go back to trench, the energy from the accumulators is now expelled back for my swing system. So I otherwise get a free swing back to trench. And you can enable this in 45 degree, 90 degree, and 180 degree truck loading. Now, we talked about the three major components of this machine, and now we'll talk a little bit about fuel savings. Up to 25% less fuel, up to 50% better fuel efficiency. It equals more tons moved per gallon per liter of fuel and no loss of power. The machine still runs at a 300 horsepower, maintains that power out front to dig, which means we didn't take away any way you do your work today, but yet we deliver the fuel savings and give you more tons per liter or more tons per gallon. The 336EH is a sustainable machine. Lower noise levels both inside and outside the cab. Lower carbon footprint, lower fuel consumption. It conserves the energy and resources. And again, no loss of power, and you maintain the performance of the machine at all times. The 336EH is going to be a winner for you. It's delivering the same performance as the 336E. It's going to allow you to decrease your fuel. It's going to improve your fuel efficiency. It's going to reduce your cost per cubic yard or cubic meter for dirt moved, and it's going to give you a higher return on investment. For more information, see your local Cat dealer today.